Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Fakhrul Alam Sajib. Today we are going to learn how to change color in MySQL Workbench. If you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all get all the notifications of my channel. This is our favorite MySQL Workbench. I was interested in trying to change color of my school workbench. I have seen that some people are using different themes of my school workbench. I do not know that time how they actually change color of my school workbench. I supposed that maybe that they have added some extensions. Later, I have found that in MySQL Workbench, you can change color or theme. Now, I will show you how to do it. First, you have to go to the edit. After that, go to preferences. Then go to font and colors. Finally, color scheme. I have set the system default. Now I will change the color scheme. Suppose first I select Windows 7 color scheme. Let's see what will happen. Click OK. See the output. If we select Windows 7 color scheme, looks nice. Actually, much better. If you want to change again the color scheme, edit, preferences, font and colors, color scheme. Now select Windows 8. Click OK. This is Windows 8 color scheme. So you have to change another one. Preferences, font and colors. Select Windows 8 alternative. Click OK. This Windows 8 alternative color. If you have to change another color, edit, preferences, font and colors, high contrast. Select high contrast color scheme. Click OK. Yes, this is high contrast color scheme. Edit, preferences, font and colors, and I like Windows 7. You maybe liked another one. I just select Windows 7, select your scheme, Windows 7 color scheme, click OK. I think you should now play with color. I hope that now you understand how to change color in MySQL Workbench. Thanks a lot for watching this video.